Welcome to our channel. If you're new, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to like, comment, or share.
Welcome back. It is what it is. Always already out na zvimwe ndi mafungo fedzi. Yo, vatu vachidziyabuya. Welcome back to our channel. Hey, ngofit chena energy. That's why ndikudzura ndiko poster hey vatu vati maybe even chena energy. Sezwi nichipfesesa uri chipinga chimwe na chimwe ndingajamara ndicha poster, but guys, I'm promising what I'm going to try and keep up this year and a poster Winji has video, and then we'll see. That's when we're going to zone. I'll try and put it out rabona ori rizwitisa hani. So one thing is ndakongomanga hazo na musi ndibona ngamanda bathu bachiko poster or nisongo shimisa the downloaded beat, the beat makers ko diambo rengani beat ni muimbi rangani beat tani mini hii na lingwe ninga sishumise beat ya mini. If you go and check, so recently ndiko example unga Redman, example unga Redman uri wa freestyle and has beat zabongo bathu at the release as the track bathu bazitechelesa and people still enjoy that. Lil Wayne, they've done it. There's a lot of artists that have done it. Even when they go to the booth, when they know that's freestyle, they do drop tracks. Mixtape, kind just having fun or not drop a mixtape or drop a beat is but it's not a problem. Taizo iwa ya musi maybe zunichiboto do rengisa na one you can't sell. But one thing you're I download a beat na shumisa. If you blow up ngaila beat na kuno na renga beat ngaila sensor, it's not a problem. Ngaila sensor to you for whatever usage. Mara unaba embiwa ne babori they can't afford we are chotoma ngase afford the studio time. Chawili ha afford urenga beat. Bakodo it sahani. Bangani sasa zabambazo ne bafuna. Urenga beat doesn't mean uri you gonna succeed. And ni songo feel tempted uri ni renge if you can't afford. Record dani nishumise zunina banazo. Use whatever material to hustle. Niswike hapo na ko down. Come on. As ties ushumise ezo beat. Ngore diva. Wunji as beat maker, wunji as a producer. Wako download the beat za YouTube wherever zibikulura wa eda pala na pala. When you pick up a musi nichiboto do release muzika na wanore niko riwa nga copyright. Claim ID kwambo no e beat already ihone. You know shumisiwa mutu atapangedza zula mara beat ya original isi yawe. So bodaranga manda bathu zodalesa ufumula chimwe chipinga ri kupumula ri ko shavori ri donga ri do vashavisira customer mara zodaranga manda apo ayani na humwe. So ni muimbi na wana beat inoko kanda kana wana nikodo remixa kana nikoita mini like vo Jema Cop, do it. Nisongo limitiwa ngori social media standards kana bathu bana go feel or they have a say, they can tell you uri nisongo shumisa mini shumisa ni chimwe na chimwe. You don't need them to promote you, you don't need them to do your PR, you don't need them to for them to write about you on their blogs, to talk about you on their YouTube. No, you can do it anyhow. Arale batebeli bachikufuna ruimbo bakufuna zona shuma zone ahuna zuzangatia. In this day and age, our channel limitation do limitwanga mutu zofi mini hey radio mini hey TV mini. There's digital space that you can utilize anyhow. Push yourself to the extent. Karani ko book you angene your beat rana tag, use it. Use it. Ni songo fani chichuwa ana wana mbiro adere yampe antalikezori uko za morimina chiri bana basingushumisa. You can't expect one of grade 10, grade 11, grade 9, grade 8, grade mini and uri ato ako dogidimezo no renga na beat. They need to focus on their school and focus on developing their craft when they have time. Let them be kids and have fun. Singoba pangara pressure ya unnecessary ineabori aiho. Zoni barera renga beat mva murao no zimsa download beat. Now you want to tell these kids uri beat is it or rengwa beat enda use. If aranukona mtu nakono liza makoti kote ni imbe a zwo ngo fhambana na vhaimbi vhane vha mukho ḓi ambara dzi roko vha ṱuwa vha ta dzi comedy vha duma vha kona u vhuyela murahu khou imba. It's one and the same. Use whatever you can to get yourself where you want to be. Ndi vhe ndo pfala ndi khou mpfa vhafethu afho nnḓa na vhasidzana ndi vhe ndo mpfa. Don't worry about who says what. Use whatever resource that you get. Come on. So fani songo chuwa. Nṋe ḓo ni vhudza ngoho. U duma a u ḓi ngo renga beat. Hu ḓa nga vhukoni. Ndi vhanzhi vhaimbi nga maanḓa na vho dumaho na vhaḓivha. They still used downloaded beats. They download beats or they use other people's beats. Don't know bvaho. Ngori arali beat ni ngo ipfa zori beat ndi ya ḓivha mara ya mukano kusinda. You listen to the song. Go bona. So auna ndavha uri ngo shumisa beat ya muṅwe muthu. Nikota mini, do those singles, do those mixtapes, dive, build your fan base, get people to know you and enjoy, get booked. Ndokono renga beat, arango feel ngoto renga beat. Ngachimwe chipinga talent ya vamwe iko limitiwa because you're buying beats dzine za worry they don't have that thing that people really enjoy. That's why you end up just being stagnant. And you give up because of frustration. So do what works. Usina ndava. Aranambiro rodo ambo do ya kumura. Push your craft. Do what you gotta do. If ni artist, ndayandona. Amara here.